Nan, Babo Kabalin, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of Porac Pampanga. We discover great places for you to check out.
For today's vlog, dumayo po kami all the way from San Fernando to Porac Pampanga just to visit this must-check out dito po sa Porac, di ba?
Yes, they have the best Buy1Take1 burger and pizza in town.
There you go, guys. So this is Cheesy Burger Factory. If you want to know more about this, we're gonna show you the food that they serve us. Also about the place, no? If you're interested to check this out, very cozy. I mean, another tambayan dito sa Manibaug, Paralaya, Porac Pampanga.
To know more, samahan nyo kami. So tara,
Let's go! Guys, so coming in here, sabi ko nga sa inyo, it's very cozy. Napaka-chill considering na, you know, you got your busy street road dito sa baba. Dito sa taas naman, it's very relaxing. Now at the back, dito sa likod ko, ayan. So this is their, kumbaga, function area. So you can have your seminar, a small birthday, anything na ano that needs gathering. Ayan, so this is the place you need to check out. As far as we know, it's just 5,000 pesos, consumable, good for 4 hours. Brother, what can you say about our table?
So excited ako sa table natin. So kaya nagre-ready na ako. More on, ano tayo ngayon? More on pizza,
and burgers.
Siyempre sa mga burgers nila is meron tayo ditong yung classic burger at saka yung kanilang bacon mushroom burger. Ito yung pinaka best seller sa kanila. So for the pizza naman, so meron tayo ditong cheesy pizza, meron tayong classic Hawaiian pizza, which is this one. Meron tayo ditong all meat pizza, and syempre yung pinaka best seller nila and yung pinaka special nila is yung kanilang special combination pizza. Ayan.
Look at this.
Meron tayo ditong buffalo wings. You have a choice kung gusto nyo ng with rice or with french fries.
Wow.
Ayan. Meron din tayong pasta dito, which is yung kanilang carbonara. Only 190 pesos. So, syempre sa mga veggie lovers naman, so meron tayo ditong Italian salad. And syempre yung sa mga mahilig sa pizza, at the same time yung gusto nilang on the go, meron tayo dito mga tinatawag nilang panzerotti. Ano? They are called packet pizza, para silang mga malalaking empanada. Pero yung sa loob nila is yung mga favorite natin pizza.
Yes.
Siyempre sa mga drinks naman, hindi mawawala is yung kanilang house blend iced tea. Ano? So parang napaka-refreshing ito. Yan. So next thing to do natin, siyempre, taste testing.
Grabe. Thank you so much, Cheesy Burger Factory, for inviting us and being generous po sa taste testing natin for today. So, I think let's start with the taste testing and para sa'yo, bro. I think I'm gonna go first with the burger.
I'll go for the their best seller.
Cheesy
Yung bacon mushroom burger.
Oh.
So tingnan nyo naman. The mushroom and the bacon itself. You know?
Wow!
Tikman natin.
Wow. First off, yung pinaka-feeling natin dito with the vegetables, napaka-fresh. They're really fresh. And
At the same time, napaka-juicy nung pinaka-patty niya. So makikita mo talaga yung fats nung meat. You know?
I'm really surprised, bro. But this one, although you're excited to taste the other dishes, parang kaya mong bitawan yung burger na.
Napakasarap.
Considering this is just the classic, di ba?
Yes.
Yours is really loaded.
Loaded talaga. So, these are available for buy one, take one. For classic, 139 pesos.
Really?
And for their bacon mushroom naman, it's 269 pesos.
So this is their house blend iced tea. Siyempre, right after, meron tayong pampatulak dyan. So on my side naman, I wanna taste this special combination pizza.
Ako naman yung kanilang Hawaiian, syempre. All-time favorite na Hawaiian pizza.
So, yun nga, they claim to be the best buy one take one burger and pizza. Although, syempre, when you go here, kumbaga, if you eat solo, medyo marami yung buy one take one. So, meron din naman silang single, right?
So, syempre, hindi naman nawawala yung mga yon.
You know what? For this pizza, I love the herbs and spices. Very, very aromatic. Ang sarap ng ang sarap ng aroma. I wanna proceed with this one. This is their buffalo wings. You might want to add your rice here kasi, I mean, it's dripping. It's dripping with sauce.
So syempre, sa mga mahilig naman mag-salad dito, ako naman titigman ko yung ng Italian salad. So unang tingin pa lang parang ang sarap na. Napaka-green, at the same time meron silang mga garnish of oranges.
I think so.
Yan. At bacon. So syempre, yan, sa mga nagda-diet, this is the good dish for you.
Wow. And this one, I think spiciness level niya para sa akin, it's around 4. Hindi siya ganun ka-spicy para sa akin. Additionally, when you order yung carbonara na lang, most likely, you're gonna add other dishes naman. So, this is gonna be shareable. Ayan, when you go here. Make sure to bring someone when you go here. Mas masarap yung kain ninyo and, you know, enjoy a good time, enjoy a good meal, enjoy a good place.
Yeah. Siyempre, to dine in dito sa may Cheesy Burger Factory. So, they are located dito sa may JPDC building, Manibaug, Paralaya, Porac Pampanga. And they are open from 11 a.m. until 10 p.m. Tuesday to Sunday. Yan. So, day off po nila yung Monday.
To come and visit this one, it is a must try. Nagpapakilala po sila sa atin. And find out for yourself. You might really enjoy it and become one of your favorites.
Yes, at the same time, kung naghahanap naman kayo ng pasalubong or sa mga PUB, sa mga family natin, take out, they're open for buy one, take one. So, nakakasulit na, no?
Bring this home. Of course, lalo na yung mga kids natin, hindi pa nakakalabas. So, they can enjoy this as well at the comfort of your house. Wow, grabe! We're gonna enjoy the rest of the dishes offline. Pero guys, if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. If you wanna know more about Cheesy Burger Factory, make sure to check out yung fan page po. We're gonna be tagging in the caption below.
Yeah, so that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.